Hey folks, it's Paul Wilson here. I just wanted to jump on and record this little video to address any potential concerns that might come out related to a change that's occurring on my YouTube channel this week. As many of you know, I've been producing Adobe Captivate tutorials, short tutorials, typically 5 minutes, 10 minutes in length, usually about a very single topic on Adobe Captivate for, I guess it's been about 6 or 7 years now. And this has led to a lot of questions that viewers have of me. For example, can I download the project files associated with your YouTube videos? Or do you have longer form content like live webinars or live streams available? Also, do you have full entire courses on Adobe Captivate or an aspect of Adobe Captivate? And I've addressed these a number of different ways in the past, but what's suddenly become available to my YouTube channel is the ability to offer memberships. What are memberships, you might ask? Well, for a small monthly fee, members can get access to things like early access to my videos. So typically a video might come out on Wednesday. I usually will make it available on Sunday or Monday to my members as well. In addition, everyone that is a member will get access to my live streams, which I will be doing, every couple of weeks or so, a couple of times a month. And if you want to pay a little bit more for your membership, you can also get access to those very same project files that I mentioned. You'll be able to download those and use them however you wish, either deconstruct what I've done in the video or follow along in the video with that particular project file open in front of you. As well, a third tier of memberships gives you the ability to have access to longer form training courses, such as my premium courses. There are several courses that are 30 minutes in length, an hour in length. One of them's even an hour and a half in length. And those are included with the premium level. All members will get access to the ability to display an emoji type icon next to their name in the comments of my video. So I'll be able to recognize that you are a member. And of course, if there's additional content that's available to you, I can include that as part of the answer to any questions that you might have. If you have been a Patreon subscriber of my channel, all of this might seem kind of familiar to you. And I'd like to encourage my Patreon members to end their Patreon membership if they still have it and move over to YouTube. The advantage of YouTube memberships, of course, is that everything is under one umbrella. You'll be able to access all my content from the very same place that I post it, but also things like the member icons, the member emoji icons, will help distinguish you from all the other YouTube subscribers. So how do you join? Well, underneath all of my videos now, right next to the subscribe button is a join button. So pressing that join button will give you an opportunity to select what membership level that you wish to contribute to. And then from there, you can enjoy all the added benefits that that particular membership level offers. Now, I want to, again, emphasize to all my YouTube subscribers that nothing is going to change for you. I'm going to continue to make the short form 5-minute, 10-minute video tutorials about Adobe Captivate, and all of those will continue to be free for you. I do want to thank you for your years of support and let you know that I'm not going to let you down. I'm going to keep doing what it is that made you a subscriber in the first place. If you do decide to join YouTube memberships and contribute to my YouTube channel, I wish to thank you for that as well. I really do appreciate all the support that all of my viewers have provided me over the years. It really has given me an opportunity to continue to do what it is that I love to do. If you thought this video was useful, please like and share with your colleagues. If you need help with your next e-learning project, hire me. My focus is to create effective e-learning that achieves your business goals. Visit my website at captivateteacher.com and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.